So, and welcome back sa channel. This is Kasingkoji Vlogs. And this is my day in my life as we revisit day number 24 of our living Taitera subject. No? So, is uniform na judge. Para yung tangtod niya undang tagkuan vlog sa May 9. No? So, dito na guys ako sa Timadias guys, no? Kabayers, but before that, let's get throw into channel. Let's go and do it.
In the valley of the shadow of death, I can take rest, cause the living God is living in my chest. Every day I wake up feeling blessed, and even if I don't, I see it as a test. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do to separate my love from you. You came to set us free. You came to set us free. I am no longer bound. You came to set us free. You came to set us free. I am no longer bound. Say I'm so thankful you ain't drive me in that pit. Hey, nah. Saw my soul inside that famine, said that's it. Grace now. You never flake in the cold winter. I just came to ball with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me here, go get it. Shed blood, gave me lemonade on this cold bennett. Pick me up. Always Timmy Turner, always chasing after Vicky. Took me to his fountain, gave me peace and chose to cleanse me up. Now I'm testifying of your greatness. This a different look. Go life ahead, hard, let's take it slow. Take a walk by the river and let you flow. Cause Lord, you are all I ever want. You're all I ever want. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do to separate my love from you.
So guys, ako sa Timadias guys, no? Kape kayo. Balik isa kay Motikab guys. Ikaw yung guys ba? Di ka ng ba? Tao. Di ka ng tao para magpa-laboratory ba sa liver ni ma'am, no? Liver nga parents consent ba? Ano siya guys, no? So update na mga guys, so kung na ako sa school guys, no? Babayers, no? Oh wow. So guys, nakuha ko sa zone guys, no? So karon ako yung nakita guys ba? Na ako nakita guys, no? Kining kining idok o akong kapit nga HM pod sa una, no? Oy, shout out sa akong vlogs. Shout out kang Inaldo.
Chat na si Cheng sa mga chat na. Chat na si Cheng wa.
Basta ako na tong kaya ako na sa pag-post.
Shout out yung Koji. Sana dapat magkasilanan ni Cheng.
Dapat Jod.
Sa birthday.
Dapat lang Jod. Dapat lang. Kaya
Gapa.
ready sa kung sa kuang Ligaw Day 1. Ligaw Day 1. Ano siya? Ha?
Kita mo niya.
Ogong na siya.
Upload na mo
Ogong na siya. Ha?
Upload na mo kay share na mo.
Oo, upload ako.
May tag donut.
Ha? Donut. Sunod. So, okay talaga guys. So, kung na ako sa score guys. Babayers. Oh, wow. So guys, nabukan na kita guys. Hey, shout out! Shout out! Kambal! Hindi mo shout out na shout out na na. Shout out! Ha? Ha?
Sorry na tato.
Ano naman?
Ano ta?
Ano ta?
Amang ka nga naman ka. Asam ka madulog.
Ano sa...
Ang klase.
Kanya.
Unya ko ba dad?
Ay, dito ako. I'm looking for her. So guys, meron ko sa visit guys, oh. Ayan, so, visit. Guys, no? So, kasi nasa yung building guys. Anong meron sa yung building? Anong meron? Anong meron? Uy, wala dito. So guys. Guys, so guys, karon matukon ko guys. Sa akong guys ba sa Inbi ba Inbi, no? Matukon guys, Inbi ba Inbi. So, pabalik ko guys. Pabalik ko tara.
Lately I feel like I've been on my own. Walking these streets but they don't feel like home.
Guys, ako sa Inbi guys.
But I just can't seem
So, mo to. Raskan sila. Sila sa Nico.
I need
Sa Nico. Happy Agwan, Grace.
I wish I knew what all this was about.
No?
All of these questions just leave me
So,
miracle worker,
let's open guys. Let's open
I
guys.
know there's nothing
Okay, di ako guys. Di ako guys. No. Let's open. Babayos. Oh. Ngayon ta guys. Ngayon ta guys.
miracle worker. I need a miracle soon.
Running on empty, the end of
Shoutout sa vlog.
Idol, shout out!
Shoutout vlog.
Shoutout kay Samusino sa Limbot.
Shoutout kang
Sa Limbot Samusino.
ano nino, og kinapod si Jelly Pod. Og kinapod. Kinapod. Jel.
nahulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahulog
So, busy na sila guys. Busy na sila. So, mga guys, babayers. Wow. Kinapod. Shoutout ka, Clark. Kinapod. Dilan. Pero dapat pasawa ko magpunod eh. Ano niya?
Sayawon na.
Ano ba? Pasawa niya. Hindi naman ako nakita po niya. Mga city.
Yay. Sa oras gabi na.
Gabi na. Kasi lang kung makita nga ron.
Isa tayo mong giligawan level.
Ha? Ha?
Isa tayo mong giligawan level.
Kaya kang sting ba?
Okay. Pamilya ba nila? Siyempre.
Basta, yeah, but no, ako nag-post siya. Di pa ako nag-profile. Oh. Di pa pala na ako. Di, ako pag ko videoan.
Profile ni mo?
Oh. Picture doon ha. Picture doon ha, ako profile. Oh, tapos ngayon, naka-video na mo doon ha. Video pa.
Oh.
Itong one time, makato ba? Oh. Tapos karon, napakay kuhan. Itong, finishing ba? Replay na ba na? Replay na. Ano ba? Ano na siya? No. So, mga to siya.
Yay.
Ako lang sulitin na eh. Tapos, ako na parindigan eh. Ako eh, parindigan akong nararamdaman sa akin, puso.
Yup.
Mga na siya. No? Mga na siya, pasi mo na ching. Oh, wow. Shout out. Pang vlog. Shout out. Vlog.
Beautiful girl
girls all over the world I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby.
Yeah.
Nothing on you,
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. There's so much nonsense that's on my conscience. I'm thinking maybe I should get it out. And I don't want to sound redundant, but I was wondering if there was something that you wanna know. But never mind that, we should let it go. So you wanna be a TV episode.
Okay, mga laking mga astig. Mga sila guys.
I-post na.
Post na ako. Post na ako. So nabang kita guys. Itong mga cream guys. Itong cream. Shout out guys. Vlog. Guys, shout out. Yung vlog, shout out. Shout out sa vlog. Shout out. Sama cream. Mana sila ang vlog? Mana sila? Mana sila mana? So, mga to guys. Inya. So, mga to guys. Bye-bye guys. Oh.
Take your last breath. Tell me that's the first step. Closer with the same stress. Feeling your warm embrace. Never always tempting. A whole go empty sentence. We're not meant to blend in. Blend it with your friends. Push and pull to get closer. Closer. We tried again. Said I wouldn't have lied again. Mama told you don't return to him. These ain't right. Who's wrong again? We've been.
So karon guys, nakasakon karon guys. Guys, nakasakon karon guys. Kini mga tracing guys, no. Nagawan guys ito ba si PJ guys, si PJ, si Lakan. Ako si Lakan. Sila kapag guys, sila. Sila na.
Sushi, lapilag. Upload lang ako ng
Mga sila guys, no. O dito na guys, ako matasin namin guys. Kabayers. Sinusar guys. Dahil nasar guys. Matasin sila guys, o no. Kaya sila guys, no? No? Dito na guys, akong may klase guys, no? Babayos, no? Oh, no? So guys, nakikita guys. Nakikita guys. Itong mga cream guys, oh, itong mga cream guys. Oh, itong mga cream. Kaya sila guys, no? Oh, kaya sila guys. Kaya sila guys. Ako mga, guys, oh, kini mga cream guys. Ha? Mga guys, no? Wala man! Wala! Screenshot, baka na-video eh! Baka na-video!
Yan, yung away ano, Sora yan. Ang planet daw yan.
Planets? Planets is there is no planets. Ha? Wala planet, kayo na planet. So, mga to guys. Oh, wow! So guys, nakuha kita guys. Nakuha sa hindi guys. Nakuha kita guys. Nakuha kita. Guys. Ito yung mga cream guys. Yes lang guys, oh. Yes lang guys. Woo! Nakuha nila. Dulos na guys. Shout out sa akong vlog, Piolo! Hang up, Piolo! Tara, gini pa sila guys. Gini pa sila guys. Bravo kayo.
Chicks ba?
Okay na sila. Okay na sila. Okay na sila. Ha? Jili. Marami dyan sila. Sama to guys.
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap Magpapapansin sa'yo
Shoutout daw si Ryan, ay si...
Tag si Jillian.
Janile.
Kung ito na ang huling minuto sa mundo Mga segundo'y uubusin Sa tabi mo kulang
Gini pa sila. Gini pa sila.
Jillian. Tag si Jillian. Tag si picture. Post niya picture. Tag si Jillian. Uy, pagagiatan.
Lagi na kayo ha.
Daka na kayo mo do. Daka na kayo mo.
Wow!
Daka na kayo mo. Shout out. Ano tayo visit?
Kaya pulin, shout out kay Mang Pulin.
Oo naman. So karon guys, na ako sa event karon guys sa akin. Idok na mga event guys ba kanang mga idok na event guys. Yes na ako kayo sila guys.
Participants must sing with their original voice. Lip singing is not allowed.
Mga sila guys na so.
The judges is final.
So karon guys, dito talaga sa kong
Criteria for judge.
ilakan guys ba ila ko. Pasawon guys no, kabayas na.
Senator Alexi and
I'm not alone. Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head hurt just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh Lord, your ways better. Jesus, your ways better. Lord, I am so thankful for the ways that you bless me. Everything you said, making waves like a jet ski. You love every part of me, even when I was messy. Now I see the art in your beauty, so I can finally sing out. Jehovah Jireh, provider. Your way always gets me higher. Even on my darkest days, you're a lighter, my Messiah. Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head hurt just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh.
So guys, human ako kung sa event guys sa stay night nila no. So may usayaw. So dito talaga sa kung na ako sa balay guys. Kabayas no. Wow. So okay guys, I hope ating videos, subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye. Oh. See you for my video. Squidgy Vlogs for more contents and vlogs and dance videos. No? Mga to siya. So, new videos. So, karon, sige intro mo channel. Let's go and enjoy it. Kabayers.